So hello guys, it's Salvies here and I'm back for yet another video. As many of you know, I'm a hairstylist and today I'll be doing a topic right down below that says hairdressers and the chemistry of shampoos. We all know our clients, people everywhere in the world, we all use shampoos, but today we'll have to talk about what's in the shampoo. So now, when it comes to our shampoos, people will tell you, oh yeah, this is the name of my shampoo is this, my shampoo is that. We can say we have a Joico shampoo, Parmesan shampoo, Wella shampoo, and all these various shampoos in the world, you know. And today I just want you guys to know that in general we actually have 10 different kinds of shampoos. Yes, 10 different kinds of shampoos. And today I already have a sample of these shampoos and I'll just show them to you. So one, we have a daily shampoo, we have a color treated shampoo, we have a reviving shampoo, we have a clarifying shampoo, we have a swimming shampoo or for swimmers, we have a medicated shampoo, we have a shampoo for oily hair, we have a shampoo for dry hair, we have a shampoo for thickening hair, we have a 2-in-1 shampoo, and then shampoo for normal hair. Now, knowing that we have 10 different kinds of shampoo, sometimes you're like, oh yes, I just throw the shampoo in there and, you know, get my hair shampooed and that's it. Now, I would like to talk about the chemistry behind the shampoos. When it comes to shampoos, whenever you see a bottle like this, there's so many things that are in this bottle. We have the surfactant molecules, we have pH bonders, we have disinfecting agents in it, we have bonding agents in it, we have foaming agents in it, we have anti-foaming agents in it, and all these general stuffs, and we have the hydrogen bonds in it, we have the water molecules in it, and all this. So now people are like, oh my god, yeah, I just thrown my shampoo in there and I really don't care about it. Well, as we hairdressers and people who would like to know more, I'm here to let you guys know that when it comes to detergents, shampoos, soaps, Tide Pod, and the rest of them, especially the shampoos, we always wondered, when I was in hair school, I was like, oh my god, how does this work? Why does water work with detergents? And I then found out the secret behind it. So let's go into it, okay? When it comes to detergents and when it comes to shampoos, there is a molecule in that detergent or in that shampoo that helps these agents of the shampoo to work with cleansing your hair and working with your hair and making your hair feel neat, nice, smell good and all that. So what happens is that your shampoos contains what it's called a surfactant molecule. Yes, a surfactant molecule is very important when it comes to the chemistry of shampoos. I'll put a link here that shows a little bit of what is involved when it comes to the surfactant molecule. Now, the surfactant molecule contains what is like a fish. It has the head and it has the tail. Now, the head represents what we call hydrophilic bond or molecule. Then the tail contains a lipophilic bond or molecule or end of. Now, what does that entail? The head, which is the hydrophilic, has two words combined, hydro and philic. Hydro means water. Philic means something like an affinity, an attraction towards something. Now the end contains the lipophilic bond. Now the lipophilic end has lipo, like liposuction, which is fat, lipids, and all that fattiness. And having that is very important because the lipids contains the lipid end and philic, so it's attracted to lipids, it's attracted to fat, it's attracted to dirt and all that. Now, knowing that, what happens is that when this surfactant molecule is dispersed in the water through the shampoo, what happens is that the water end, or which is the head, gets attracted to the water. That way it can mix. Now you're like, oh my god, water and oil does not mix, so how is this possible? Well, knowing that we have the hydrophilic end and the lipophilic end, we also can call them the hydrophobic end and the hydrophobic end, you see. So now, or lipophilic end and the lipophobic end. Okay, so now knowing that, or putting it this way, knowing that, what happens is that this shampoo, when you put them into your hair or into the water, first you emulsify the hair, you add water to the process. Now the head of the surfactant is attracted to the water, so that's how it goes in there. Then when the detergent is leaving the hair, when you're rinsing the hair off, what happens is that the lipophilic end, which is the tail part, attracts those dirt, magnets to them, and then goes down the drain. So water getting attracted cleanses your hair, the end now takes off that dirt from your hair, and that's how the chemistry of shampooing works when it comes to shampooing hair or shampooing your hair or shampooing the hairs of the clients and the guests. And it's just fascinating to me because sometimes we use stuff and we really don't know what it's all about. So today, I hope this helps you guys. You now know what's behind the chemistry of shampoos, and not just that, we also now know that the shampoos have a pH scale that is very suitable for the hair. And just so you know, the pH scale or the pH value of the hair is 4.5 to 5.5, and our shampoos are around that region, so that way it keeps your hair safe and it does not do any damage to your hair. And also, in a nutshell, you now know that there are 10 different kinds of shampoos in the world. Isn't that crazy? So what I'll do is that I'll put a list of all the different kinds of shampoos we have in this video so you guys can know about it. So I hope this helps someone out there, and now you know how the shampoos work and how important the surfactant in the shampoos is, because we now have our hydrophilic and our lipophilic ends, which is very important. And it's just so cool to share this knowledge with you guys out there, and I hope you enjoyed this video. It's always a pleasure doing these videos, and I can't wait to do another one real soon. Okay, love you guys, bye.